Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you the beauty of a very sharp spine. When you first buy your Mora, it is not going to be able to scrape it all. And I have a video that I'll leave down in the description that shows you how to take a grinder and grind that rounded over edge off of that spine, and then how to touch it up with a sharpening stone. But today I just want to demonstrate what a great scraper you could have also. Here is my baton, and it's dogwood. Let's go ahead and scrape some of that. And the Bayite key ring ferro rod that I use all the time. You get a 3-pack on Amazon for $12. How about scraping some Fatwood? Here's a big pine knot. Let's scrape some of that. Got some pine needles. Demonstrate how well it'll scrape a ferro rod, which you've already seen that twice. Now, I grind that point on the end of that ferro rod because I like the point to be touching the table. So I'll work it on down in there until it is touching. So you can see where you would need a very sharp spine to have these kind of results, but you can do it. Check out that video down in the description. going to have to go off the table, isn't it? And might have to do this in fast speed because this will take a little bit of time. So let's go ahead and process this piece of wood down. It's a piece of oak and it is highly degraded, but we'll process it down and ignite it with some scrapings and a ferro rod. That is not the kind of scrapings that I'll be able to ignite and rake over onto the log cabin very well, so I'll go ahead and just make some shavings up off of that. We'll ignite that with the ferro rod and you'll get to see how well that very sharp spine scrapes the ferro rod once again. It's so bright out here I can't even tell that it's ignited, but it is. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. I'm always raking off my log cabins into the big hobo stove. Let's see if we can get it in this smaller one today. It doesn't look like much of a problem. We'll catch you on the next one.